The MT-VIKI 4K at 60 Hz 8-port KVM switch is an impressive piece of technology, offering a seamless and efficient way to manage multiple computers. With its industrial-grade HDMI capabilities, this KVM switch allows you to connect and control up to 8 computers using a single set of monitor, keyboard, and mouse. The 4K resolution support, up to 4096 x 2160 at 60 Hz, ensures a crisp and clear display, making it ideal for various applications. One of the standout features is its versatility in switching modes. You have the option to switch between computers using the convenient push-button, hotkeys, or even a wireless IR remote. This flexibility ensures a smooth and personalized experience, catering to different preferences and workflows. Additionally, the auto-switching mode adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing the switch to detect and connect to active computers automatically. The installation process is remarkably simple, and the plug-and-play nature of this device means you won't need any additional software. The built-in smart EDID management further enhances the user experience by ensuring optimal display settings for each connected computer. Moreover, the inclusion of a 3.5mm audio output adds an extra layer of functionality, allowing you to enjoy high-quality audio alongside the visual experience. Constructed with alloy steel, this KVM switch is built to last and can withstand the demands of a professional environment. The rack mount design ensures easy integration into existing setups, making it a versatile choice for both home and business users. With its 12-volt operating voltage and 2-amp current rating, it provides reliable performance without compromising on power efficiency. In terms of compatibility, the MT-VIKI KVM switch supports HDCP 2.0, ensuring seamless integration with a wide range of devices and displays. Whether you're a content creator, a professional in a corporate setting, or simply looking for a more efficient way to manage multiple computers, this KVM switch offers a reliable and feature-rich solution. Overall, the MT-VIKI 4K at 60 Hz 8-port KVM switch is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a powerful and versatile control solution. Its combination of high-resolution support, multiple switching modes, and durable construction makes it a top contender in the market. With its competitive pricing and the included accessories, such as cables and rack ears, this KVM switch offers exceptional value for money.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.